Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'd like to share with you how to install the raise component. We'll need the parts shown in the video. And then we'll start by removing the screws. Next, we'll install the components according to the directions shown in the video. We'll tighten the screws and adjust the screen angle to complete the installation. Remember to tighten the screws properly. Otherwise, there may be safety hazards. Raising the assembly will increase the handlebar height by 5 centimeters. That's all for today. See you next time.